Hi, and welcome to Racingjunk.com. You know, the number one thing that most people ask us all the time is, how do I make my ad stand out? And the biggest thing that you can do to make your ad stand out is put a photo on it. Most people contact us and tell us, I don't even look at ads without photos. But here's how you can make sure that you're not part of that. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and start posting an ad. Click the post ad link at the top, and then you can select your category. You can go ahead and put your item in any category that appropriately fits. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and just put up a fake ad and show you how we can do this. So my favorite car would be a Cobra 427. Shelby, of course. Description here. And everything seems to be fine here. Right down here is in this upload button. It brings up a box of your computer, and you can find out what kind of where you have your images stored. So go ahead and select on an image. It'll start processing the image, and when it's up and finally done, it'll be on your ad. So you go to the next step. Step 2 has all these other optional upgrades that you can do. If you don't want to do any of these, you can just hit next at the end. Now, the beautiful thing about a club membership that you have is the fact that you get free galleries on every ad you place. So if you scroll down and just click on Upload at the bottom of this step, you can select up to 24 more images, making your total ad have 25 images. Select Open on the process. It'll start uploading. As you can see, it'll just bang out your gallery photos one by one. Once they're all processed, you can select the Next button if you'd like. And when you do that, you'll see all your images are there. So that's how you can get your images on your ad. You get more of a gallery ad, you get more pictures. You can just go with the one photo if you'd like, or you can go with the entire gallery. But that's pretty much how you get your pictures on your ad. You just click Next and it goes right through the rest of the process. Good luck and happy selling.